I saw this tea light candle holder while browsing the web one day and thought I would try making it myself. I start off by cutting the 9 individual pieces of the candle holder. I'm using a 2-inch square piece of cherry that's sold as a turning blank. Next, I sand all 6 sides of each piece on a flat surface using 220 grit sandpaper. I used my laser cutter to make a centering template, which worked better than I would have gotten by just eyeballing it. Note: always check the recommended speed for what you are drilling. I had the drill set way too high, which burnt the wood and dulled the bit to the point of uselessness. The next step is to glue each set of the 3 pieces together. I tried a couple different methods for this process, and using the parallel bar clamp worked the best. More sanding. I even sanded the sides you wouldn't see for some reason. Now, to glue the 3 pieces together. All the previous sanding took what was nicely square wood and added a bunch of small deviations, so I ran the candle holder through the jointer a couple times on each side and the bottom to flatten everything back out. Then more sanding to get the sides smooth again. I thought I would try something new for this project, wipe-on polyurethane, and I really did not like working with it. So for coats 2 and 3 I used regular water-based polyurethane instead while lightly sanding with 220 grit sandpaper between coats. I tried to replicate what I saw in the image, and I think it turned out okay. After I finished, I went back and read through his steps to see how he did it. Seems like I did not need to do all that sanding, and I forgot to cut the bottom to create a foot. There's a link to the article in the description below. I'm going to try this project again in the future though, and see if I can do better. Well, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe for more, and see you next time.